Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and a quick video today on the Fuji X-T4 face and eye auto tracking focus. Now I had a question from my past video on how to set up the eye autofocus on your camera. I will link that up above so you can see it. But this one here, I had a question on that video from a commenter, and I love getting comments because it helps me answer your questions, and I figured I just would film a quick video about it. So the question was, why can't I see the eye autofocus option on my camera? Now we're assuming you're using the X-T4, and the number one reason why you won't, we'll jump into the menus here in a second, but the number one reason why when you're going to be jumping in and looking at the setup of the autofocus settings, the number one reason why it is not showing up is on the front of your camera is the switch for different autofocus modes. And if we go, let's just jump into the menu here and I'll do a quick showing of this. When you go in, it's probably in the M setting, which is manual, so it's not going to show up. Let's jump into the menu and I will show you what this looks like. Okay, here we are. Let's go into the menu system. This is Fuji X-T4 and we are looking at autofocus. So we want to go down to the second one, AF/MF. And we're going to scroll down. It's going to be on the second page, top button there. So we'll hit menu OK. And as we can see here, Face Eye Detect is on auto, so it is working. Now I have the setting on at the front is set to continuous autofocus, and as you can see, it is still there showing up. So let's go back. I'm going to switch it over. We go now to the manual, you're going to see it, there we go, it just turns and goes to off. So there's not even selected to be able to access that. That's the number one reason why it doesn't work. Now, there may be some other settings that have gotten kind of messed up. It's very hard to troubleshoot without actually seeing the camera and what settings you have. One of the things that may not always work is if you have a different drive setting on. That could be an issue, but you could also be, if you have, what I found the best thing to kind of do is if something's not working on your camera is to go down to the wrench and the user setting, and you want to scroll down to the second page, go to reset, and you can reset the still menu right there. This will reset it to the default setting, and that way it'll clear off all the settings if you've done any changes, and you should be able to access the eye autofocus there as long as you're not in manual focus mode. Now obviously we're assuming here that you are up to date with all of your Fuji firmware. As long as you are, the eye autofocus should be working right like that. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully that answered your question. If you have other questions about the Fuji X-T4, I am more than happy to answer them. I always appreciate questions and comments. You can leave it down below as a comment on this video, or if you're watching another video on my channel, feel free, leave a comment. I will get back to you with an answer, and I may even film a video about it like this one. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day.